A lot of people are using a blog to communicate with parents or community members or anything like that in the form of what used to be a newsletter. So I'm going to demo how you would do this. I have my Weebly site up right now, and you can see here it says Reynolds Class Blog. So if I were to click on this, it would just show one very small blog that I typed up a while back. And here's how you would add this to your website. So you would go up here to Pages, and then you would hit Add Blog, and there it is. Let's call this one Classroom News. And then I want to edit the page. Okay, now if I go over here to More, you'll see where it says Classroom News. I'm already on that page. This is the way it's going to look whenever you open it for the very first time. Notice everything is very generic. It says to write something about yourself here, just kind of introduce yourself. Here's your archives. Once you get several blogs or newsletters going, it's going to have them all archived there for you. Great way to create documentation. And then you can add tags to your blogs, so that way you can have categories. Some examples of tags might be things like open house, holiday parties, things like that. Now right here, this is their generic area to begin writing your newsletter, and we are going to edit this because we don't want to use their words, we want to use our own. I'm going to highlight this to make it faster. So I might say, welcome to our class. We are so excited to have you in 5th grade this year, and we will be learning so much. Please subscribe to catch all the news about our school. Okay, now obviously if I were doing a weekly or monthly newsletter, I would put lots of information in there, things like upcoming events, some of the things that we're getting ready to study, that sort of thing. I have seen teachers that send out a daily newsletter though, and it really is just about 2 or 3 sentences. And if it's a daily newsletter, 2 or 3 sentences, that'd be great. Right here, this isn't going to be called First Post. This is going to be called Welcome Back, because I am writing this as if it were the beginning of the school year. Now my categories would be welcome, and put in a comma between each of these, open house, and I would say, if this were August, because school starts in August, I could put that there. Just basically that's it. Now I hit Save to Live, and that's whenever all this changes, so that way my viewers can really see this. I'm going to go over here to where it says Author, and I'm going to write about our class. Say, welcome to my class. My name is Klista Lawyer Reynolds, and I'm so happy to see your child every day. I might put in there something about how long I've been teaching or anything like that, but it's really completely up to you. Notice here, whenever I put in those tags, my categories have already changed. Now, whenever I publish this, my parents can add comments to this. And it would probably be best if you change the settings on the comments so that way they don't publish automatically. You're going to do that by going to Manage Blog. And my comments, let's see here. Let's go to Settings. Allow comments says it's open. I want to approve them first. And it's going to email them to me at my email address. And then I'll just hit Save Changes. So now if a parent gets on there and says, how great their child is doing in the class. They're so excited. That's going to show up after I approve it. So therefore, if there's someone who posts something that concerns me a little bit, it's all right because I have to approve it before it's going to show up there for the rest of the world. Whenever I'm done, I just hit publish. And now I'm going to visit the actual site. And this will look just a little bit different because I don't have all the editing bars up there. And there's my blog. As I continue to have more, I'm going to have more show up in the archives. You'll be able to see more there. And it is as simple as that.